One of the things that our generation, meaning people in their 20s and early 30s right now, realize is that there's not going to be any safe haven for us to fall back on. Many people doubt that Social Security will be a thing once we get older, and the whole idea of us just waiting for a pension, working for like 30 years, just to be able to enjoy life after we're 60, sounds pretty dull in this age of modern technology. We can make money in various ways. That's probably why you clicked on this video and you want to know more about affiliate marketing, because you have an interest in making money online or you have an interest in passive income. Well, interesting thing is affiliate marketing can actually be a combination of the two. It doesn't change the fact that it's not necessarily a how-to blueprint just floating around on the internet. Okay, maybe there's a few of them, but a lot of people want to know directly what's the best way to get started if I'm starting from scratch. And this is where affiliate marketing can come into play and make things very convenient and easy for you to start making money within the next 30 to 90 days as long as you stay consistent. But a lot of people don't realize that there's some great opportunity in your phone when it comes to affiliate marketing. And that's what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, because I'm going to be sharing 5 of the best apps that have pretty good referral programs that there's a chance you might be using. And if you're not using them, you might want to consider using them by the end of this video. So let's get into it. Sup everyone, this is Lodge with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. On this channel we talk about side hustles, ways to make money online, personal finance, and also investing. And in this video specifically, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. One of the things that I wish I knew when I first started affiliate marketing is there's not necessarily always a need to just branch off into all this stuff, sign up with all these different things that you can use just so you can use their affiliate program. You should actually just do an inventory of things you're already using, things that are already in your circle, and then just see if they happen to have an affiliate program. That's why I'm going to be sharing with you 5 apps that have pretty good referral programs that might be in your phone. You might be utilizing them, and even if you're not, it's pretty simple to get involved and get started if you want to. Starting off with our first app, which is the GetUpside app. GetUpside is a cashback app that you can use at various gas stations across the country. When you arrive at the gas station, all you need to do is virtually check in and pay for it with the debit card on file. GetUpside will then add those cashback bonuses to your cashback account. And once it reaches a certain limit, you can then cash out that cashback on PayPal. That alone is actually pretty cool, but what makes it even better is their referral program. Every time you refer a friend, you get 15 cents more cashback per gallon off your next fill up at the tank. And so does your friend. On top of this, you'll also get 1 cent for every gallon your friend pumps and then uses the GetUpside to get cash back. So this is actually a form of passive income. And since most of us are going to be doing some driving anyway, it really just comes down to, hey, why not just get some cash back while I'm filling up at the pump? And why not support my friend at the same time? Why not have you be that friend that's getting that support? And if you want to take it even a step further, the same deal applies to the people that they refer as far as the 1 cent, but you get 0.5 cent for every gallon that they get. So this goes even further. All that comes out to be fairly easy, and you get to leverage something that you're already doing anyway in the form of spending money on gas. So if you haven't signed up for the GetUpside app yet, you can do so using the link in the description or in the pinned comment. The second app that's great for people who are getting started in affiliate/referral marketing and it can make some pretty decent money is the Cash App. Now, most people actually don't know the Cash App has a referral program or affiliate program, whichever one you want to call it. Many people just tell their friend about Cash App and then they sign up with Cash App, and both of them don't realize they're leaving money on the table. The referral amount as well as the conditions vary, but it usually ranges between, you can get $10 to $15 when you invite someone to come on the Cash App and they send someone money. Now, a lot of people actually forget about that send money that your friend has to do, but being honest, all they really have to do is send money to you, then you can send it back to them, and then y'all both get the bonus of $10 or $15, whichever one is going on at the time. Pretty easy, right? Now, I'm not going to go heavy into Cash App because I made easily over 20 videos covering the details of Cash App. So I'm just going to link to that playlist in the description if you want to know more about Cash App. But at this point, everyone knows about it. They might just want to know additional details, including how do you actually refer people. You can check this video out to figure out how to refer people, start getting some affiliate income. And as far as how the Cash App functions, you can just check the playlist out in the description. And if your friend has questions, you can just share those videos with your friend so you don't have to do that much talking, and then they just come back to you with, hey, so what's your code? The third app that's good for affiliate marketing for those just getting started and can offer some pretty decent rewards is the Robinhood investing app. Robinhood is a brokerage which allows you to invest in various ETFs, stocks, and cryptocurrency. They're known for having a very beginner-friendly interface, which is pretty useful for if you want to start investing in general too. And since people are really starting to embrace the fact that they can really start investing on their own, they don't have to have like these big, huge brokerages to charge fees. Robinhood has gained a lot of attention, to say the least. The way their referral program works, and it fluctuates from time to time, but if a friend signs up or you get your friend to sign up or someone to sign up rather, then they'll get a free stock that ranges between $400 and $500. Sometimes there's a promotion for 2 stocks, so it just depends on what's going on at that time. But it doesn't matter how you slice it, you have the opportunity to get some free stocks. And sometimes those stocks could be something that, it's in the triple digits like Apple, or they could be some smaller stocks. But the point is, it's free stocks or free money if you choose to sell the stocks once you get them. An important thing to keep in mind here though is that it is capped. So once you reach over $500 of value worth of stocks, then you can't earn any more with Robinhood. But with that being said, why not reach 500? And since we're talking about investments, stocks, and crypto, it'd be a crime not to mention the fourth app, which is Webull. Think of their referral program as Robinhood on steroids. Webull is a much more sophisticated version of Robinhood if you ask me. But it has all the information that you need to make an investment decision inside the app, so you don't have to go looking for various things outside the app, which is pretty convenient. And they offer various things that more sophisticated investors can leverage. I'm not gonna get into heavy detail on what they offer because I have done videos on Webull in the past, so you can check those out. So we'll just focus on the referral program here. But the way the referral program works is if you refer a friend, they have the opportunity to get 2 free stocks as long as they deposit at least $100 in their account. Now keep in mind that it just says deposit. You don't technically have to use that money to invest. You could just transfer the money to the account, then transfer it back later. And those 2 stocks are valued between $4 and $2,000. Sometimes those valuations can fluctuate based on what's going on, but what also fluctuates is the amount of stocks that you can get. I've seen it range from 2, like I've told you, to 10 stocks just for referring one friend. And these are all stocks that have the capability to be in the 4 digits in terms of value. So like I said, it's like that Robinhood app on steroids. You want to know how to tap into that and invite people? Check this video out where I cover how to invite people on the Webull app. And our 5th and final app that you can use to start getting some affiliate/referral money is actually the Uber driver app. Now, I'm going to split this in terms of Uber and Uber Eats because it's really the same concept. It depends on which one you decide to get involved with. But I don't really have to describe Uber. I don't think it really needs an introduction. Uber is a service that you can use. It's rideshare, and you can be a driver and make some extra money. On Uber Eats, you can make some extra money by delivering food to people that they order. Now, if you're signed up as a driver and you refer someone, you have the opportunity to make some referral money depending on what market they sign up in. Now, they have to complete a certain amount of trips, but if they complete those trips within 90 days, then you get that referral amount. I go heavy into how much money I made for affiliate marketing via Uber in this video where I spent $260 and made over $14,000 with affiliate marketing. So you might want to check that out. But this is a very easy way to start making some good money with affiliate/referral marketing. Now, like Robinhood, these referrals do have a cap. So once you reach over 50 referrals, then you can't make any more money with Uber referring people. But with that being said, depending on what markets these people sign up in, 50 referrals could be like $6,000 or $7,000. And I'm not even joking. You see on the screen that these referral amounts can be pretty huge. So even if it is capped at 50, there's still plenty of money potential there. It just comes down to you going in there and just referring and doing the work. Now, I would recommend if you need some extra money, like right now, you might actually want to give Uber Eats a try. But let's say if you don't want to do that, you could always just refer someone, and when they ask you questions, you can just send them to my other channel, The App Lifestyle, where I have over 100 videos on how to make the most money with Uber Eats in the least amount of time. And there we have it, everyone. We have 5 apps that have awesome affiliate programs, and the barrier to entry is pretty low. So you can sign up for these like literally today and begin making some decent money. If you're interested in doing that, there are going to be links in the description. Disclaimer, those are affiliate links, but I think you probably knew that based on everything we talked about in this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, as well as subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when I drop another video. And if you have any video suggestions that you want to see about affiliate marketing, you can leave those in the comment section too. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.